welcome back to another video. Starting this video off with some energy. I'm tired, but we're still gonna start off with some energy. It is currently 5:25 in the morning. We're headed down south to LA to pick up one of the biggest car modifications I've done on my M3 yet. It's gonna be sick. I got my road companion, my little puppy Ryla. She's in the back. I got some essentials, energy drink, coffee, water, chips. We're out. We're going to LA. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. I'm still waking up. Although I have all this energy right now, I'm a little groggy, a little tired. Yeah, but I'll check back in with you guys when we're on the road. It's about a 3-hour drive from my house to LA, so let's just make a sweet travel vlog. All right, I'll check back with you guys in a second. Look how beautiful it is right here. This is one reason why I love California, especially Highway 1. I mean, look at the views right here. Crazy. We'll get more views later because this is not my favorite part of the freeway. There's one part that's like really, really nice, but this rest stop right here, that's under construction right there, was the first place I stopped after I bought my 335 in Los Angeles. Fun fact. Alright, made it to Santa Barbara. We're about halfway to LA. Making pretty good time actually. It's been about an hour and 15 minutes or so. We're making good time, Santa Barbara. This right here is my favorite spot on Highway 1. I don't know why. You got this wide freeway. You got the hill to the side. You got the Pacific Ocean right there. I don't know, I just like it. It's beautiful right here. California sucks in a lot of ways, but the roads here are sweet. Woo! I don't know where he is. I don't know where he is. He's somewhere on here. Oh, there he is. Got him. So I'm just pulling up to this gas station, right? And I just realized this is the gas station that I went to when I first got my 335 a couple years ago. Like, this is the exact same one, and it was like, this is the exact same pump. It was this pump. If I could find the picture, I took a picture of that. If I can find that picture, I'll throw it on the screen right now. But what are the odds? Out of all the gas stations, I come to this one, like, what are the odds? All right, we made it to a Chevron. Just put 5 gallons in. The M3 looking all good. Got the puppy, she's gonna go pee. I just went pee, so we'll take the dog to the bathroom and then we'll carry on. God, the M3 looks so good. Sheesh. So do you, Riley. Come here, out of the street. She's happy, she went to the bathroom. But damn. Riley, say hi. Riley, say hi. Oh, she's shy. All right, let's keep going. We're almost there. Let's go. You know, just classic LA traffic. This is why I live a couple hours north of LA and not in LA, because of this reason right here. Oh, I hate traffic. Ooh, that's a nice Range Rover though. You guys see way out in the distance, it's downtown LA. Way out there. Pulling up to the homie's work. Oh, I see is E92. Sheesh. God dang, the E88. Oh my God. If you guys didn't know, it's a Spencer Birksall car, now owned by Sam. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now. Super sick car. Look at the E88. Damn. Looks so good. The white and black. Sheesh. Alright, shout out to Samuel, super cool dude. I've known him on Instagram for a little bit, and finally I get to meet like people. It's cool like meeting people that you know on Instagram, so shout out to him. Sick car, goals, those wheels, probably worth more than my car combined. But what we picked up, if you guys follow Sam on Instagram, you know what we got, because he's missing something in the back right there. You know what it is. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Yes indeed, we got GTS wing. Woohoo! GTS wing. The wing stands, I'm probably gonna get all new hardware and just make it really, really nice, clean it up. But damn, dude, I'm so stoked. All right, let's get back on the road, go to Beverly Hills, and oh, I'm stoked. There's oh, that's Sheriff, that's the Sheriff.
In 11 miles, take exit 4 onto...
There's downtown right there, Los Angeles. Home of my Lakers, baby, let's go. Downtown LA right there. All right, now we're almost to Beverly Hills. Made it to Beverly Hills, and first little car spot, Lamborghini Urus. Ferrari Urus right there, a little rent-a-car place. Here's Ferrari of Beverly Hills.
Right onto North Rodeo Drive.
Couple nice Ferraris in there. So this is famous Rodeo Drive. A lot of crazy like supercar shenanigans happen here. A lot actually. Obviously, it's what's today? Thursday at 10 o'clock. So nothing's here right now, but it's still pretty cool to check out. Hey, look at Unity 2 M3. Hey, that's fresh. That's a clean one, man. What wheels are those? That thing's nice. We got the Gucci store, and right next door, bam, Lamborghini Urus. And then after that, the G-Wagon up here. Sheesh. Sheesh. So pulled over so she can go to the bathroom. But yeah, Beverly Hills, super, super, super nice here. But damn, the M3, can't wait to get that GTS wing on there, man. Next video, installing the GTS wing. But let's keep this vlog going and go to our next stop. I don't really know where it's at, but let's keep going. Going back through Rodeo Drive, Rolls Royce. Well, I think it's crazy looking. Man, it's beautiful here. Can't get over how nice it is. All these crazy stores that I will never be able to afford, but I at least look at and drive through. Just real quick, hope you guys are enjoying today's video. It's a fun little vlog getting the GTS wing. Not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I just want to make a little fun little travel vlog for you guys. But if you haven't already, please go down there and subscribe down below. It's the road to 10K. Leave a like on the video. It's not over yet. We still gotta get back home and take a look at the GTS wing up closer, but let's continue the vlog. Just leave a like, subscribe down below. Those are nice. Those C63s, AMGs, those are really nice. All right, right now we're leaving Beverly Hills. We're gonna go to a place called Gentani. Gentani tunes a lot of these E9X M3s. They also do supercar stuff, twin turbo kits. They're like a super high-end company, as in like tuning and all that stuff. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna just drive by, not go in or anything, because eventually I do want to get the M3 tuned. For all of you guys asking me if I'm gonna get the M3 tuned, yes, and it will be by Gentani. And I kind of want to know where it's at, so we're just gonna cruise by, check it out. But in the meantime, look at these condos and stuff, man. Beverly Hills is so nice. Jeez, man. I can't afford it, and I never will be able to afford it, but it's cool to look at. Little M5 action, sheesh. Alright, Gentani's right up here. Let's see if we can see any cool cars. That's what I'm trying to see. Gentani. Any cool cars in there? Sheesh. Oh, there's cool cars everywhere in there. Damn. We're gonna cruise by one more time by Gentani because that was sick. Dang, that's a nice place, man. That's a nice place. God damn. Whew. Dude, there's so many nice cars in there. You know, just came to get gas here at Arco. Fuck Arco. They're literally only debit cards. No credit card? Alright, later. I just don't get how you don't take credit cards. It's 2021 and you don't take a credit card. I know I don't want to use my debit card. First world problems. Alright, made it to a Chevron. This is better gas anyways. And it's not badly priced, $4.69. Probably for a lot of you guys it's really expensive, but for here in California, not too bad right now. Chevron. They take credit cards. Look at the carbon on the wing. Damn, dude, I can't wait to put this thing on. It's gonna be so sick. Can't wait. Alright, just put 40 bucks in. Let's go home. Let's mock that wing up at the house. Obviously, I'm gonna take this wing off. I ordered one of the smaller ones. It's like a quarter this size, so it doesn't look too naked back here. And the wing's gonna look, it's gonna look so sick. Just imagine the GTS wing. Oh, it's gonna look so good. That's gonna be next video of the install, but we'll mock it up today in this video. So let's just, let's just go home. Let's just head home right now. I'll see you guys back at the house in 3, 2, 1, and see you there. Bam, and we're home. So there it is, the GTS wing, obviously. I put it up to the car, kind of. I don't have two people, so I can't really show you guys what it's gonna look like. I don't really want to scratch the trunk too much. I guess there, kind of. A little sneak peek. Don't want to scratch too much. But man, it's wider than I thought. So it goes to each end of the trunk, if you guys see. It goes to each end of the actual trunk. And it's gonna look so sick. So sick. I'll take it in the garage and show you. The carbon looks really good. Obviously this is a replica because the real GTS wing, if you guys don't know, is like $2,500. And I can't afford that. So the replica looks very, very similar. And that's what we're rocking with. So yeah. So now once we add the GTS wing, we're gonna have like a full GTS rear end. It'll be the GTS wing and the GTS diffuser, and then it'll be the GT4 front lip, which if you guys have never seen my videos, which I'm assuming you guys have, there's the GT4 front lip on the M3. But yeah. So as I said, next video will be the install of this. I'm actually gonna edit this video right now, post it tomorrow morning, which will be Friday for you guys watching it now, and then I'm gonna install this tomorrow, which is also Friday, and publish that the following week. So yeah, if that made any sense. After those two videos are posted, I got how do I put this? A lot of installs in one video in 10 minutes. Yeah, you guys probably know what I'm saying. It's a big trend for car YouTubers, and it's just a lot of work. So I'm already working on it right now. It's a lot of work to put this video together, but they usually do really, really well. And I'm hoping mine does well, and I'm hoping it turns out sick. I'm like a quarter of the way through it, and it looks pretty sick. I spent like 3 hours just doing a quarter of it, so hoping it turns out sick. Also, if you want to find this GTS wing, I bought it from Samuel. He's on Instagram. Thank you again, bro, for giving me the hookup on this wing. His Instagram's right here. Go give him a follow. Super cool guy. But you can find this wing if you want it brand new at Rush Customs. Obviously, my boy, gotta hook up my boy, my guy. He's out of stock right now, but I think he told me 2 weeks are gonna get all brand new ones. So 2 weeks I'll have these in stock. A week from when you're watching the install, 2 weeks from when you're watching this vlog. So yeah. But one more look at the E92 with the regular M Performance wing or spoiler. It looks really good, and I just can't wait. Some of you guys are probably like, oh, the GTS wing looks ugly, but I'm not doing this to be like, oh, look at my wing. This is legit a functional race car wing. Like, this is from BMW, this is their design. It's a legit functional wing. And obviously you guys know we tracked the hell out of this car, and now it's starting to cool down. Summer's starting to leave us. Back to more track days, because now it's cooling down in California. We can go out and not be 105 degrees. But like I said, it's functional. So this is a legit functional wing. I want to get a real functional diffuser. The GT4 front lip probably is a little bit functional. It just looks really good. It probably adds a little bit of functionality, maybe a little bit of downforce, but the wing really does help. I've talked to numerous people with the GTS wing, and they said they legit feel a difference on track. Alright guys, I'm pretty tired. I just freaking drove like 6 hours, LA and back, real quick, just grinded that out. But I'm gonna go edit this video for you guys right now so I can post it tomorrow. But like always, I appreciate every one of you guys watching today's video. Hopefully it was a cool little vlog for you guys. But I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be the install. Don't forget to subscribe down below. It's the road to 10K. Like the video, all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.